Hey, this is Jason from Huckleberry Arms. We went out elk hunting today, grabbed an elk, came back, and we also grabbed the flat tire up here. So I'm just going to show you a quick and easy down and dirty how to be prepared to fix it. All I did, take some water, a little bit of Dawn dish soap, pour it on your tire. I've already found the leak. I'm going to zoom in here, right here where it's bubbling. Get in real close, and you just find where the soap's bubbling. That's your puncture right there. Go ahead and zoom on back. So, all I'm gonna do is use the puncture seal kit that came along for the ride for just in case such eventualities. I'm gonna poke this in the hole after I remove the little rock that's stuck in there, sharp rock, using these pliers. That was just something else. That's just a piece of steel. Unless you ran that over on the trail. Gonna open up the hook or the hole with this. Twist it. Got some puncture repair strips that'll vulcanize, seal to the tire, seal the hole. A little bit of lube helps it slide in. This kit's from ARB, but you can get a smaller kit from your local store. Of lube. Sometimes getting the plug-ins a pain. Use pliers. Lube on it so it slides in easy. Pull this one out because I've already started adding air. Once you get it in, give it a quick pull. The plug stays in and you've got a patch tire. Carry a little air pump. Air your tire up and you're back in business. Thanks for watching.